is all you'll need for my chicken and egg drop soup. A couple of garlic cloves, some chicken stock, a carrot, a bit of parsley, chicken leg or breast, eggs obviously, a bit of black pepper, a teaspoon of honey and some corn flour. First thing we're going to do, get your chicken into a pan, chop your carrots, squash your garlic, throw that in, and then we're just going to simmer that away for around 30 minutes to make sure that the chicken's completely cooked. When your chicken's had 30 minutes or so, take it out, over a bowl, put your colander, and then if you've got some muslin cloth, hold your colander and then it's in with the water that your carrot, garlic and chicken has been simmering away. Now if you're like me and you buy more than one chicken leg at a time, I've been cooking some more for some extra chicken flavour, so you can use that as well. Into a cup, or ramekin in my case, you're going with a tablespoon of flour and the equivalent amount-ish of water. And just get them mixed together. Make sure it's cold water that you use to mix it. You'll find it all does gloopy if you use hot water. Give your pan a quick rinse and then it's in with your sieved water. And into there with the flour and water just mixed up to thicken it up and bring that back up to a simmer. With your soup coming back up to a simmer, go in with some black pepper or white pepper if you prefer. I like black pepper, so that's what's going in. And then 2 stock cubes, chicken stock cubes, just to add a bit of that extra flavour. With your soup simmering away, we're going to chop up the parsley. With your parsley chopped, in it goes, along with a teaspoon of honey. With everything simmering away, time to get your eggs into a measuring jug or anything really with a pouring spout. So in there with 3 eggs, and then give them a good mix. With your eggs mixed, time to get your soup swirling in one direction, and then you're going to slowly but surely pour in your eggs. Once all your eggs are in there, turn it off the heat, don't want to overcook it, and then you're going to strip your chicken leg in my case, or breast, or whatever you're using. So it's finally in with your shredded chicken, and then that's all that's left is to dish it up